Hey Ash, I'm Max. This is the video that I promised you from commenting in the Facebook group. So here's your kind of website audit showing you how to increase your business through your website. So today we're going to be going over three main things: content on your homepage, citations, and backlinks. We'll go through all those, but first I want to just show you that the general gist here is to have you rank in Google for select key terms that are relevant to your niche and your area. So as Green Bay painters, I saw was, that's about where you are in Brown County. And as you can see, there's about 100 searches every month for the service that you're offering. This is a tool that I use that shows me that. I pay for it, and it shows me that there's about 100 people actively searching on Google for the service that you provide. So essentially, if you could rank number one here, or even in this Google Map Pack, you would be bringing in about 50 to 65% of those. So imagine bringing in 50 to 65 more customers just by ranking number one in Google. So like I said earlier, there's three main key ways to get to that spot. And we'll start off with the content on your homepage. So if I copied everything here, including what the pictures are saved as, and I threw it into this word counter, it shows us that you have 344 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and it wants it to be rich with these niche and area specific keywords. So painters, Green Bay, Wisconsin gets searched about 60 times a month. If you had that placed on a couple of different spots throughout your homepage with a lot more words on there, then it's going to become more relevant to those searches, and you're going to start showing up number one or in this map pack. Okay, and then obviously those people that are searching this keyword are going to be able to click on your website, and then you already have your contact information here, so that makes it really easy for them to get in contact with you. Which, good job by having this up here, especially, right there on the front and up high. It just makes it really easy for people to contact you. The second thing that you could do in order to obtain this top position is called backlinks. And what a backlink is, essentially, is one website passing power to yours through a link. So, if you got on a blog somewhere and linked your homepage from that blog, then that's going to pass power to your website, and that's going to make your website more relevant to these searches. So if we took your URL here and I throw it into Ahrefs, which is that same tool that we just used, it's going to show us how many backlinks you have, so how many people are searching or are passing power to you. And right now it looks like you only have 3, which doesn't even bring up any data for your website health. So that's definitely somewhere that you can improve on. But like I said, once you do that, then you're going to be bringing in probably 50 to 60% of the customers that are actively searching for what you're doing. The third and final thing is a form of backlink, but it's actually called a citation. And what that is I'll show you here. It is your business name, business address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. So like Yellow Pages, BBB, if there's a Chamber of Commerce website and you get listed on there, it's going to pass power to yours, but then it's going to pass a different kind of power, which actually goes towards your GMB and gets you in this map pack. Okay, which this is just a lot more verified and trusted. A lot more people are going to click on your website, and then once they get there, they'll be able to call you directly. So that's all I have for you today. Those three main things to help boost your business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll reach out to you tomorrow at about the same time, between 9 and 10, just to see, what your thoughts were on this, and just get some feedback on this video as well. So thank you for your time, and enjoy your day.